Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is the new year and most of you should have decided to get some smarter. New year, new me. But looking at the state of the world around you, it might seem like a good idea to stay in your bed. Luckily for you, there are dozens of incredibly smart people making informative and entertaining videos on YouTube, including me. Without leaving your bed, you can stare at your phone and feel just a little bit cleverer. It's Preceptor and let's get straight into it. 10. Oversimplified. Any historian will tell you that the world is pretty complicated. Anytime you try to write down history, you have to leave things out to construct the story that you want to tell. All history is an act of simplification. It's just that most histories don't tell you that they are simplifying. At least the YouTuber Oversimplified admits what he is doing from the outset. In a series of videos about various historical topics, Oversimplified sets out to make history a bit more understandable. In a video dealing with the prohibition of alcohol in the United States, you will learn both the broad strokes of the complex sociological movement and the fun details. Did you know about a little old lady called Carrie Nation who traveled around smashing up saloons with her hatchet? As well as big world events, Oversimplified also tackle lesser known topics like the time Australia went to the war with emus and lost. Number 9. Legal Eagle. Law can seem like a pretty impenetrable topic to research. Latin phrases, arcane procedures, and historical precedents all serve to make law a weird world. Legal Eagle tries to make it all make sense. Legal Eagle's videos serve as a good basis for understanding how any legal system is supposed to work. Recently, for obvious reasons, he has produced a lot of videos on election law that help both the Americans and foreign observers comprehend the twists and the turns of the 2020 election. Some of the most fun videos are in his true crime series. From the time the police blew up a house to the famous Leopold and Loeb murder case, he tracks how the legal system dealt with each event. Number 8. Crash Course. No one can know everything. If you ever fell asleep in class, you have missed at least some of the facts out there. Luckily for you, there is always a video out there for whatever class you have snoozed through. And most of them can be found on Crash Course's channel. If you need to brush up on your biology, then everything from DNA to evolution is covered. If you want some history, then you can watch videos going from prehistory to how our media consumption is changing our brains. After 2020, you might be feeling depressed, stressed, or anxious. Maybe Crash Course's psychology series might be a good place to start. Number 7. Journey to the Microcosmos. Okay, some topics are just too big for the human brains to comprehend. Unfortunately, even when you look at small things, things can get a bit complex. And Journey to the Microcosmos studies things that are really small. It turns out that every drop of pond water is brimming with activity. To focus on the struggle going on all around us, Journey to the Microcosmos turns powerful microscopes on these hidden creatures, as well as revealing beautiful mini wonders. The presenter may just have one of the most calming voices YouTube has to offer. Number 6. Tire Zoo. If you prefer the animals you look at to be a bit more visible to the naked eyes, then Tire Zoo is the channel for you. As well as looking at weird and wonderful animals, this channel does it in a way that will appeal to gamers. By treating the natural world like a game, he examines the abilities evolution has developed. Do sloths had their stats nerfed? Tire Zoo will let you decide. It will also help new players decide which starter animal they should really pick, cat or a dog. Number 5. Vsauce. Vsauce is one of the biggest science YouTubers out there. While there are plenty of websites out there that promise pictures of hot people, only Vsauce will reveal the hottest things in the universe. And most of them you will definitely not want to get intimate with. Vsauce has videos covering why we find things creepy and why curse words are thought of as bad. Some of the more entertaining videos on the channel deals with one hypothetical like what would happen if the earth stopped spinning, or what would be the consequence of everyone jumping at once. Number 4. They're Dead. It is a channel that produces short introduction to great topics you might want to research further for yourself, as well as retelling some of the great myths of the world culture with stunning animations that tackle topics ranging from the opioid epidemic to common logical fallacies. We might end up walking off the edge of the flat earth. Number 3. While there are lots of YouTubers out there who have incredible animation skills, they are not always required to make great videos. CGP Grey may not have the most visually stunning videos, but they are always interesting and informative. Among other topics you will find covered on his channel are things like the difference between the UK and the Britain and why domesticating zebras is a bad idea. 2. Sabine Hossenfelder. Sabine is a physics researcher working on quantum gravity, itself a field that scares other theoretical researchers, so she knows what she is talking about. Hossenfelder tackles ideas in a huge range of fields in physics, and sometimes beyond. You can find out the current thinking on weather, what is the smallest size in the universe, how to travel faster than the speed of light, and though complex equations often pop up on the screen, she will hold your hand as she walks you through them. Number 1. Tom Scott. Tom Scott is a YouTuber willing to push his body to the edge in the name of science education. The science of things like batteries that will still work after 176 years and why getting brain-eating amoebas in your nose is a bad idea. He also looks at social issues. Why do Americans find it weird when British people start conversation with "you alright?" and how should GIF be pronounced? The further you delve into these videos, the more topics you discover that you never knew about. And that is what makes a great YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button and consider subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.